Hello friends, this is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a steak. This one is a ribeye steak. So I'm going to make this one. For this what we require salt. This is the Himalayan salt. We require black pepper powder. And we require olive oil. A little bit, and butter, a little bit of butter, and for flavoring we require Worcester sauce, and we require, this is the basil, the dried basil, and also we have garlic, fresh garlic, and onions or shallots. Onions, if you want to take it red onions. Okay, so what are we going to do? First step is to put the salt on the steak, right? Put a generous amount like this, and then put some pepper, black pepper powder on it like that. Okay, and then turn it upside down. Press it a little bit, turn it upside down, and then again put some black pepper powder, and some salt. So I'm going to put some salt here, not too much, just enough. Okay, right, and let it stay for a few minutes. Until then, we're going to do the preparation. Here is our steak fry pan. We're going to put in fire, the flame underneath. Then we're going to put in a little bit of olive oil. Because we don't need too much olive oil, so we're going to brush the oil on this fry pan, the grill, and we're going to put in some butter. So this is the butter. Now let the butter melt. And what we're going to do, we have the onions. We're going to put the onions on one side and the garlic on the other side. And with the brush, we move it here and there. Let it fry a bit. Okay. Now we're going to put in the on the side. Now we're going to put in the steak. There it is. Okay, we're going to give it 5 minutes. I'll put the timer there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a bit less than 5 minutes. I'll reduce the flame. Now with this brush, I will put the butter and the olive oil on top here. Okay, I'll come back after a minute or so. Now I'm going to put in the Worcester sauce, this one. Just a little bit. And I'm going to also put in the basil a little bit for the flavor. It's been 2 minutes, so after 2 minutes I'm going to turn it upside down. Look at that. Beautiful. So I'm going to put all the onion and garlic on top of it to bring in the flavor. Come back later. It's been 3 minutes. Now I'm going to press the steak from time to time. Have a look underneath. Not quite ready. Now I'm going to turn it upside down. There it is. I can see the color. It's going to be ready in another 2 minutes. I'll just give it another minute or so. We'll come back. It's been another minute. Now I'm going to turn it upside down. Have a look. There it is. It's ready now. And then I'm going to take it out in a plate. And let it rest a bit. That's it. There it is. Have a look. And I'm going to take out all the garlic and ginger, put it on top of it. And on the side. And there it is. You can serve it with mashed potatoes, with fried chips, or with vegetables, boiled vegetables, and enjoy yourself. So let me cut it and show you. There it is. See, have a look how it's cooked from inside also. Look from here, it is medium rare. This one, medium rare. Very nice, very juicy and very nice. So enjoy yourself and serve it to your friends and your family. And please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.